This video is brought to you by Altium 365, where the world designs electronics, and Octopart, the fastest search engine for electronic parts.
Preparing the output BOM. The actual output BOM file that is generated is done using the report manager. The report manager is a highly configurable report generation engine that can generate output in a variety of formats including text, CSV, PDF, HTML, and Excel. Excel format BOMs can also have a template applied using one of the predefined templates or one of your own. An Excel format BOM can also be generated without Microsoft Excel being installed. Select the Microsoft Excel file options in the File Format drop-down. The Report Manager generates BOM output from the Bill of Materials for project dialog access via the schematic or PCB editor's reports, then click on Bill of Materials, or by adding the BOM doc to the project and running the BOM doc reports, then the Bill of Materials command, or by adding the Bill of Materials into the report output section of an output job. The default behavior is for the report manager to present the component detail in the same way it has been configured in the BOM doc. If the project includes a BOM doc, columns can be added and removed using the Columns tab in the Properties region of the dialog. If the project does not include a BOM doc, the Columns tab includes an additional region used to define how like components are identified for clustering. Clustering is achieved by dragging and dropping component attributes to the Drag a Column to Group region of the dialog. The main grid region of the dialog is the content that is written into the BOM. In this region, you can click and drag to reorder the columns. Click on a column heading to sort by that column. Control-click to subsort by that column, and define value-based filters for a column using the small drop-down in each column header. By default, the BOM generator sources information from the schematic documents. A variety of sources are available. Use the buttons in the Columns tab in the Properties region of the dialog to enable other sources. For example, if you enable the PCB parameters, you can include details such as component location and side of the board if required. The report manager takes the configuration from the BOM doc if the project includes a BOM doc.